What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications for future videos to come. Today I got something in the mail. Well, I got it a couple days ago, but I haven't been able to shoot this video. I've been trying to get my office in order and my house and everything, but I did get some stuff from Fort Worth Barber Supply, so we're gonna go ahead and hop into this and see what we got from the guys down in Fort Worth. I truly appreciate them. If you're not following them on Instagram, go follow them at FW Barber Supply. They got tons of stuff, tons of cool things that you can go and purchase from them. But this specifically is actually, I believe it is some color enhancement pencils or something like that. It's not a product that I have used personally yet, but it is a product that I have seen used on Instagram, on Facebook. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out. They sent this to me so I could review it. I did do the review over the Pacino's beard pencil liner that they have out. And so let's just dive into some more color enhancement. For me, preferably, I'm always gonna use the Attune 45 no drip. That system seems to work very well for me and the clients that I have. They are extremely pleased with that. I do use Beijing every now and then. I have been using the Pacino's pencil. There's just a large spectrum of color enhancement out there that you can use and you can have readily available. So this is just a review and a demonstration of how this color works that I will show you in this video. But once again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, and let's get right into this video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Let's see what we got inside this envelope here. Like I said, Fort Worth Barber Supply, go check them out. But we got the El Barbero de las Estrellas, creator of the original personal barber J94 by Jonathan. You can go follow this guy at Jonathan494_, as you can see there. He also has a website you can go to as well, www.jonathansdeluxe.com. Says tag and hashtag J494pencil for a chance to be featured. So we got two pencils in the package here. So these pencils are pretty detailed. You can see here, it says by Jonathan right there. And then on this side, the J94 pencil, and as well as a silhouette of, I'm assuming, Jonathan himself. Twist this little thing right here, gets the color enhancement to come out the tip there, and you just use this, I guess, to just color like you use the Pacino's pencil, and then just brush it and blend it like that. We're gonna take this to the shop and see what it's about, and see if we can get this applied and see how long it lasts. We'll see if I can give this my approval. Like I said with the Pacino's one, I just wish that I was able to maneuver the color a lot more. It seemed like as soon as I put it on, it was already dry. So with this one, I hope that we get a different outcome. So let's just get to the shop and get to using these pencils here.
What's good, everybody? So let's get this demonstration portion of the video started here. We got the white barber pencil. As I'm laying this down as a barrier to the color that I'm going to be laying down, which is going to be this J494 pencil. And what I'm doing is I'm laying down a strip of color. It's just like a pen. Just mark it in, brush it in with the brush, and it's very maneuverable. It's easy to manipulate and to get it faded in. And once I do that, I take the razor, go over that Barber Magic pencil, and just get a crisp edge up. So what I do with the one side, I do the other side as well. I have that barrier already there. I put the color on the inside of that barrier, and I brush at it to fade it into the rest of the hair. And you're just gonna do this to the desired color that you're trying to get, the desired darkness that you're trying to get, and different areas of the haircut. I didn't do it on the actual top of the hairline, just the sidebars, because the top is already dark. So we just got those sidebars knocked out, the vertical bars, and we're just brushing it in and making sure that it all flows together. You'll be able to see spots that are less dense than other spots, and you'll be able to add more color as needed. It's a very, very easy product to use. I don't hype up stuff a lot of times, but this right here is very, very easy to use. It'll help get that extra crispness to your pictures. And color enhancement is a very controversial topic in the barber industry, but me personally, I'm not against it. Whatever you got to do to get your bag, of course, get the fundamentals down, the basics down of haircutting, of barbering. of fading, of blending, but there's always more tools to add to your arsenal that will get you some extra crispness. It'll get you, that haircut to pop for pictures. As you could see before, the haircut was blurry, the edge up was crispy, but add a little color, add a little sauce to the cut, and you'll get that haircut to pop on camera, or if they're going out to an event or whatnot. Not every haircut needs color enhancement, and not every barber should be using color enhancement, but me personally, I do like to use it, and I highly recommend this specific color enhancement. It's easy to use. Like I said, you can see me brushing into the beard there. It's not a very difficult thing to learn with this one. I would say start off with something like this, because it's a lot easier to work with than using a spray or a Beijing or Kiss Express, stuff like that. This is something that's just in your hand. The ease of use is there. You just lay down the color, brush it in, lay down the color, brush it in, and you get your product. And it's very, very simple. So I highly recommend getting this product, using it. You can find it at Fort Worth Barber Supply. You can find it on jonathans.deluxe.com. The Barber Magic Pencil you could also find at Fort Worth Barber Supply, and trust me, these guys will always take care of you, get you the stuff shipped as expeditious as they possibly can. I will vouch for them. They've always stayed great with customer service and just getting things to me ASAP. But you can see right here, we're laying down a little bit of color enhancement right on the inside of that Barber Magic Pencil and just brushing it in. It's very simple. I cannot reiterate how simple it is. So just go out there, get you some color enhancement, play with it a little bit, see what works for you, see what doesn't work for you. If you never used color enhancement before, this is a good starter product to start experimenting with before you get into like the air compressor with the no drip, or there's multiple different color sprays you could use nowadays. But try this out, let me know what y'all think. But it does got my approval. It really has changed with color enhancement for me. I haven't really used the air compressor in the past week and a half since I made this video. So when I'm doing these little clips here, this is about a week and a half ago. So I've been using it for a week and a half, and my clients are very satisfied with it. And that at the end of the day, that's what matters, is client satisfaction, and that they're getting the services that they want. They're getting the type of pampering that they want, with their haircuts. So take that into consideration, take that into mind. But there is the beard, there is the vertical bars. We're edging it up right now with the razor, and don't got much to say on that topic. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Go follow Fort Worth Barber Supply at at FW Barber Supply on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram at JBlends. And until next time, God bless.